Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be talking about reports and specifically what backup reports you can see and pull and the different ways that you can look up that information. So today we're under a customer tenant, AAA design. Under the overview, we do get a nice information kind of all in one place. You can see under cyber protection in that report, we do see what's backed up today, overall storage size, those types of information. If we want things a little bit more detailed, we can come under add widget. We can, for example, go under devices, and then there we can hit show backup status. And we'll get a list of those devices, the latest result, the device current state, last successful date of backup, total runs, number of successful backup runs, and you can kind of hit more and see all your devices there. That's a nice way you can pull up something there. Another way you can look at things that are relevant to backup would be coming down and selecting locations and location summary. And you can get a look at all the different storage locations that you have, how much current free space is in that location, the current size of those backups, and the number of backups running. So that's another, different ways there that you can see that type of information. Another place that you can get reports would be down here on the left under reports itself. There's a bunch of predefined reports in here as well, like backup scanning for details. We're going to have similar reports to what we kind of looked up at the top. Summary is a nice way of kind of your total activities that you've done, as you can see within that. Backup status is that first thing that runs, and we can get that information we kind of saw up at the top. And we can customize this and make this look however we want, as well as add custom reports here. So if I wanted to create my own custom report, had it based on, backup machines or anything like that, I could come in here, select that type of report, name it whatever I want, and kind of get that going. And all the reports are, again, customizable, right? So if I wanted to X out of this, I could get rid of that. I could add a new widget based on backup. I could see backup status, location summary, disk health, all of those different things. Now, if we wanted to have this report kind of sent to us on a daily basis with these widgets and everything so that we don't have to log in, if we just want to look at backup status or anything, activities, kind of a quick view in the morning, we can hit settings here. We can change the day range to 1 day if we want. We can change the email that it's going to be sent to, and we could have it sent daily at a specific time of day. So that is another way you can get reports. You can have them directly emailed to you there. The other next place that you can get reports is at your user level as well. So if we're logged in, right, we can go under our user level. We can select yourself. You can see it always has a me next to it. And then in the settings, you can get all these kind of notifications and everything like that, but you can get a daily recap on active alerts or anything like that in here as well. So a bunch of different ways that you can get reports. Thank you for joining today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.